All right, one of the most valuable skills you can have in physical science is being able to convert between different units. So today we're going to practice with how many hours is 4 seconds. And there's only two things you need to know for this. In 1 minute, you have 60 seconds, and in 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. Now, what we have to start with is our 4 seconds. And the first thing I always do is, what unit are we trying to get rid of here? We're trying to get rid of that seconds. So what we're going to do is put it on the bottom. That way when we multiply these out, those seconds are going to cross out. Then we're wondering, what is our unit on the top? For that, I don't know how many seconds are in an hour, but I do know how many seconds are in a minute. That's our conversion right there, where in 1 minute, you have 60 seconds. Then we're going to set up the next little part of this problem, where now we're trying to get rid of that minutes that's up top. If you're trying to get rid of something, you put it on the bottom. And then what can we put up top? Well, we do know how many minutes are in an hour. We have that conversion right there. So we can just say 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Now this is sometimes where people get tripped up, but what you're going to want to do once you have it set up like this is multiply what's on the top. So 4 times 1 times 1. And then you're going to do divided by 60, which comes out to 0.067. And then you're going to do divided by 60 again. And your final answer comes out to 0.0011. Now, is that your final answer? I always emphasize this. But no, it is not. The reason for that is because you need your units on there. And that's the reason we went to this somewhat arduous process of showing all our work here, because it makes knowing what your final units are very easy in the long run. So what we're going to do when you have this multiplication is your units also multiply. So that second is going to cross off with that one. Your minutes cross out as well. And all you're left with is hours right there. So 4 seconds equals 0.0011 hours.